This is my medium lab number one. My topic is how friend groups influenced me to become a better person. In seventh grade, my childhood friend group had gotten very toxic to the point that one of them had decided to have my backpack from me, and the others decided to cover up for them. Later, I found out who hid my stuff from me. Needless to say, I was no longer friends with them, and I was no longer on talking terms. I decided to leave them and asked a classmate of mine from my performing arts class if I could hang out with her and her friend group for a week, in order for me to take a breather from them. However, after hanging out with my classmate for a week, I came to the realization that they were basically bullying me for a good 5 years. I also realized I was better off without them, and to this day I am still hanging out with my classmate and her friend group, who have become my best friends. My theme is changing friend groups ultimately made me a better person. If I'm being completely honest, I wasn't happy at all when I was hanging out with my childhood friends. Whenever I was with them, I never felt appreciated. They hardly ever listened to me and when I was talking, or even asked me how I was doing. They were always moving my things aside for them to make room for their stuff. I was never able to be myself around them, but that all changed when I met my current friend group. With them, I felt appreciated. They listened to me and to whatever I had to say, and they asked me how I was doing. I've become more affectionate with than I have ever been since second grade, thanks to them. I've learned what real friends are and to appreciate things in life a little more. They've helped me to value myself in a way. I became more confident in myself. My significance is it allowed me to become a better friend and a better person, among other things.